Bengazi ukuthi ngizokhuluma bangitshele manje kuseni so nginanto ngiprepareile kahle kahle. Azumazala umonde ne. Ngiyakhumbula besiphikisana noma makho ukuthi kuzoba mfana ontombazana. Abantwana abamantombazana kuphela. So I was praying for uboy kahle kahle. I remember when I found out ukuthi uboy yo was so excited. Ngamnima angakazalwa nokuzalwa ngasho ukuthi hayi lo it's gonna be the next me. I had very high hopes naye ngoba ngibona so much of me kuye. I remember mabasitshela ukuthi ngecondition yakho ukuthi uzale without esophagus ukuthi akakhona ukuzalwa. Besingakhona ukunderstand ukuthi yini le and then basenzele isketch basitshengisa ukuthi kunjani because bebamfaka ukudla but babes. I remember baqeda ukwenza first operation. Besingatshelani but after basitshela ukuthi alright bam discharge we like ejo bengiplan funeral mama lana nambe ngiplan funeral. Sitshele nozama ukuthi ejo ubona ukuthi ulungisa kanjani ma finances. The funny part ukuthi ever since waplan ama funeral wakhe he kept on fighting, kept on bouncing back. Manje because it was the longest time I